How to create a scatter plot in Google Sheets. Introduction to scatter plot. Search for the scatter plot. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension columns. Click on the Create Chart button. Scatter plot is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Scatter plot data requirements. You need 2 columns of numerical data to create a scatter plot. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, first, we will create a scatter plot with 2 numerical data columns, age and performance score. Later on we will add 1 numerical data column, 2 categorical data columns. Important: scatter plot will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for the scatter plot. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select X-axis metric age. Select Y-axis metric performance score. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 2 numerical data columns. Now we will add 3rd numerical data column. This is an optional feature. Select dot size metric punctuality. This metric will control size of circles. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 3 numerical data columns. Now we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. Select Name Dimension equals name. Data in this dimension will show as labels with circles. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with categorical data column. Now we will add 2nd categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Select dot color dimension department. This dimension will control color of the circles. Click on the Create Chart button. Scatter plot is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to change the color of the circle. Change the color of all circles. Click on the Data Point Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Data Point section to show hollow circles. Click on the Chart Settings button. Click on the Quadrant section to show interesting area. Click on the Trendline section to show the trend line. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.